Hi everyone! Because I have impulse issues and can literally not stop buying craft supplies, I thought I'd show you what I brought from Pop Craft Supplies this week. So this is a little bag it comes in, and this is all my goodies. So look how pretty it's packaged as well. So I'll show you these bits. And yes, I have brought Easter stuff, but it was on sale. And I like to gather little bits and pieces. Like, can you see these little cute bunnies? Let me take one out of the package so you can see without the shine. I got two colours as well. There was a third colour, but unfortunately it sold out before I got to it, because these were down from like 40p to like 23p, I think. Roughly, off the top of my head. But look how cute they are. And I thought the likelihood of these being around from other suppliers next year, you just never know. Like I said, sometimes I get the same thing in every year for a couple of years. Other times you'll only see it once and it won't be in again. So I thought for 23p each rather than like the 40p, I'd get some of those. And similar train I thought, roughly about the same. Roughly about 60p, now about 25p, 30p. And again, I got these in the two little colours, the grey and the cream, because I love the little tool fluffies and they're just so cute. And like I said, I couldn't resist for those prices. So I got like 5 each of them, so I've got like 10 of them each, because I thought I could do a couple of little sets and then I could do some like clippy sets or something. Obviously I've already brought some mulberry flowers from Caraway Cottage, but I also wanted a couple of, I saw these ombre ones and I couldn't resist, and I'm going to make some flower crowns soon, and I saw these little cute leaves and I thought they'd be really cute intertwined in between the flowers, just to give it a little bit of a little leaf look rather than just flowers. So I thought that'd be quite cute. So they came in this little box in here, and then as you can see, I got lots of tall fluffies. I love these tall little pom-poms, and Heartfelt Craft Supplies actually has 12, 15 and 20 in the sizes, in like, I think it's about 10, between 8 and 10 colours in all the sizes. So I've got grey, pink, white, blue, green, peach, mint, etc. So it's quite an orange, so quite a few colours, and I got like 10 in each colour. So these are so sweet, and like I said, I love the size. I was thinking about making some like ice cream cones or something like that, you know, getting into summer vibes. I probably won't, because we know when it comes to seasonal things, I have all these plans and I show you all these cute little bits and pieces, and then my brain just doesn't want to do it because it's like, it's too trendy and it's too like, it's just not how I function. So yeah, I have all these grand ideas. Whether or not I actually show you them, that could be a different matter. You do occasionally get these little fluffy bits, but it's just a matter of giving them a little trim, and they're just so cute. And like I said, I really like this size. It's like a really nice size, the 20. So like I said, lots of colours on the 3 different sizes, which I absolutely love. I've actually got to get a new embellishment box to put all of my little fluffy tool bits in, because I'm becoming a bit obsessed with tool. And then I got these because I can make these with my own tool, but sometimes the whole like sitting there and stitching them together, it gets too frustrating. And they're only like 45p each, 45 pence each, or like 40p each, which is about the same that you'd pay for that amount of tool, and they come pre-made. So I actually got a couple of these, and I think I've got at least 2 in each colour, in all the colours, because like I said, impulse control myself. So this is what they are, and they're like the little tool skirts, and you can give them a little fluff up once they've come out of the packaging. There you go, and then you just stick your embellishment in the middle, and you can attach a clip. And like I said, you've got purple, blue, yellow, mint, pink, light pink, and some other colours. So like I said, I just thought they were really cute, and like I said, it just saves me the energy of doing it myself when I want something quick. So there's those little ones. And then I saw these cuties. And these are so pretty. I couldn't resist them. Let me just open one because you can't really see in the packaging. I'm having a moment today. I can't even open packaging. Look how cute those little dresses with the little tulle and the little bow on the front. How cute are those? And they're so tiny. I thought they'd be like a little cute embellishment for like a ballerina or something like that. But like I said, they were just adorable. And again, they weren't expensive. I think they were only like 25 to 30 pence. So I got like 5 of them because again, I thought I might make a snap clip set. I might do something else with them. But they were just so pretty. And then you all know my love of buying bundles because like I said, I am terrible at like colour matching and things like that. And again, I thought ice cream ready for summer. So I got this bundle. I think it was £5. And you got the sprinkle and the waffle. So like I said, it's a perfect match of the two fabrics. So those are those ones. And that's the nice soft, like pinchable leatherette. So nice and soft and easy to cut. And then I got this animal print bundle. So I got the cow print, is it tiger print? Tiger print, zebra print, leopard print. I probably got one of the names wrong, but if I have, I apologise. And then you got the gold and the black, which goes with the colours. And again, I think that was about £10 to £13, but like I said, I can't quite remember off the top of my head. But like I said, I just liked it because like I said, I like the idea of the animal mix. So I thought that was really, really cute. So that was about 30, I got 20% off. Yeah, it was a take 20. I got a take 20 deal because she had like a little discount code on that day. So I got 20% off, and like I said, I brought a few things in the sale as well. So like I said, this is £38 worth of like embellishments and fabrics from Heartfelt Craft Supplies. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.